When it's time to replace laptops, phones, or other company devices, improper disposal can expose sensitive business data. Even if a device looks wiped clean, valuable information may still be recoverable. Here are 3 best practices for securely disposing of old devices. Backup and remove data. Before you dispose of a device, make sure any important files are backed up to your company's secure storage. After that, perform a factory reset or use professional wiping software to remove all data. This ensures company information doesn't fall into the wrong hands. Physically destroy storage media. For highly sensitive data, wiping alone isn't always enough. Hard drives, SSDs, and other storage media can be physically destroyed or shredded to guarantee information can't be recovered. Many businesses use certified destruction services to handle this securely. Document the process. Keep a record of every device that leaves your organization, along with proof that data was properly erased or destroyed. Maintaining this chain of custody not only protects your business, but also helps you meet compliance and auditing requirements. By following these practices, you can be confident your old devices won't become a liability after disposal. If you'd like help setting up secure device disposal practices for your organization, give our team a call. We are happy to help.